I've got an antique Frister and Rossmann hand crank sewing machine. Serial number is 940949, and it's got Mother of Pearl inlay on it, which is pretty nice. Comes with the whole case, the cover. The machine's been serviced and is in working order. Basically just going to show you how well it stitches. Only going for functionality, so I just have a piece of denim. There's already one stitch on it that I did for a photo in the ad. And it does take, I think they're Hoy 20, size 23 needles, which is the same for the Singer New Families, model 12s, 12Ks. The bobbins are about the same size too, but they're indexed with these, but there's plenty online. So you can see it's got a good stitch on both sides. And there you have it.